Hello students, my name is Alok Semwal and today's topic of discussion is gas chromatography. In gas chromatography, I will discuss introduction, principle and instrumentation. So gas chromatography is a process of separating components from the mixture of components by using a gaseous mobile phase. Gas chromatography differs from other forms of chromatography techniques in the fact that the mobile phase here is a gas and the components are separated as vapors. It is probably the most utilized of all the chromatographic techniques. This technique is similar to column chromatography, except that a gas is used as the mobile phase instead of a liquid. It is thus used to separate and detect small molecular weight compounds in the gas phase. The sample is either a gas or a liquid that is vaporized in the injection port. The mobile phase for gas chromatography is a carrier gas, typically helium because of its low molecular weight and being chemically inert. The pressure is applied and the mobile phase moves the analyte through the column. The separation is accomplished using a column coated with a stationary phase. Now, types of gas chromatographic techniques. There are two types of gas chromatographic techniques: gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. In gas solid chromatography, the mobile phase used is a gas while the stationary phase is solid. While in case of gas liquid chromatography, the mobile phase used is a gas and the stationary phase used is a thin layer of a non-volatile liquid bound to a solid support. Next is principle of gas chromatography. The principle of separation in gas chromatography is partition. Partition is the separation of mixture of components between two immiscible solvents. Because it is more soluble in one than the other is known as partition. Now in gas liquid chromatography, one phase is gas, and in gas solid chromatography, one phase is solid, but still the term partition is used universally. In gas chromatography, the mixture of components to be separated are converted to vapor phase and mixed with gaseous mobile phase. The component which is more soluble in stationary phase travels slower and eluted later. The component which is less soluble in stationary phase travels faster and eluted out first. Now because no two components has same partition coefficient, so they are separated according to their partition coefficient. Partition coefficient denotes the ratio of solubility of a substance distributed between two immiscible liquids at a constant temperature. Now next is instrumentation of gas chromatography. Following is the schematic diagram of gas chromatographic instrument. It is a very complex assembly containing various parts arranged in a well-defined manner. First part of the instrument is gas cylinder, which contains inert carrier gas as mobile phase. Second part is sample injection system or sample injector. Third part of the instrument is column. Column is the place where separation process happens in presence of stationary phase and mobile phase. Next part of the instrument is detector. Detector is a device used in gas chromatography or liquid chromatography to detect components of the mixture being eluted off the chromatographic column. And last important parts of the system include amplifier and recorder. Amplifier increases the signal strength and recorder records the data obtained. Now we will learn how a gas chromatography machine works. So at first, a vaporized sample is injected onto the chromatographic column. Second, the sample moves through the column through the flow of inert gas. Inert gas is supplied from the gas cylinder. Components are separated in the column according to their partition coefficient. And at last, the components are recorded as a sequence of peaks as they leave the column. In the next class, I will discuss details of various parts used in gas chromatographic instrument. Thank you.